What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Today, I've got a special announcement for you guys. I got the windshield fixed. No, that's not it. What I've got to announce is that you guys have helped me hit 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you watching the videos, supporting, leaving comments, liking the videos, sharing them out there. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So, as I've stated in past videos, at 500, I'd like to do another shirt giveaway. So here we go. Wait a minute, this isn't the shirt. There we go. This is the shirt. As the announcement, we're going to be doing a shirt giveaway for the Cement TRD Pro Grill for you guys. We're doing another 5 winners, and all you have to do for your chance is to leave in the comment, "Hell yeah, I want a shirt," and be sure to leave your shirt size. On April 16th, we'll be drawing the winners, and it will be a comment drawing. You can check my past giveaway video on how we did it, so be sure that you guys are leaving "Hell yeah, I want a shirt" and your shirt size in the comments below. If you don't do it, well, then you'll have to wait till we hit 1,000, and then we'll do a really big giveaway. I'm looking to put together a fairly large prize package for that 1,000 subscribers, so thank you again to each and every one of you. I couldn't have done it without you. Be sure to leave a comment down below, share this out there, and if you'd like, hit me up on socials. I'm here on Instagram as well as YouTube. I try to follow up with the comments. Thank you once again, and good luck to you, each and every one of you. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.